English plurals, plurales in inglés. There are a few rules for creating the plurals in English. So rule number 1 is if it ends in a consonant or a vowel plus Y, you just add an S. Car, cars. Dog, dogs. Cat, cats. Pen, pens. Book, books. Boy, boys. Day, days. The second rule is if it ends in an S, SH, CH, X, or a Z, we add ES. Lunch, lunches. Kiss, kisses. Wish, wishes. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. Make a note, sometimes if it ends with a Z, we will add an extra Z, quizzes. So the third rule is if it ends in a consonant and Y, we change the Y to I and add ES. I remember my elementary school teachers taught us a chant. Change the Y to I and add ES. Change the Y to I and add ES. And that helped us to remember. Party, parties. Lady, ladies. City, cities. Baby, babies. Family, families. The next rule, number 4, is if it ends in an F or an FE, you change the F to a V and add ES. Life, lives. Wolf, wolves. Leaf, leaves. Shelf, shelves. Half, halves. The next rule is there are some words that just don't change. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Moose, moose. And last, our rule number 5 is we have some irregular plurals. These just don't follow any rule. Child, children. Man, men. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.